25, Somebody Dies Every 4 Minutes by William Carlos Williams.
I don't know if you could hear that, but I've transformed my voice a couple of times. It didn't really sound like the baby like I wanted it to the first time, but you have robot, you have alien. Uh, don't choose any of these, please. Just be yourself. Since the last time I was recording and talking you through some of this process, I've discovered a couple of different things that have been really helpful to me. So first of all, I have been renaming the tracks in order to keep myself organized. So I have the intro part 1, interlude. And then the other thing is you can grab, it's out of the shot here, but by going over to the left-hand side of the screen, you can pull these to where you want them in order. The other thing is, this was kind of my big discovery, that is the mute button. When I want to listen to the tracks together, I just unmute them. And that has really helped me to figure out how to fade in and out and the timing with my voice and the music. So just a little bit of playing around has been really helpful. And I hope that you have some fun with this. And something I neglected to say earlier is that if you want to start playing around with making your own music for the podcast, then you totally should. You don't have to download music when you can make your own here in this program. So I hope that you enjoy the more creative aspects of the project as you're working, and keep checking in with me with questions. Like you, I'm learning how to do all of this. See ya.